Kajantia Students Union JSU hadirin ke jingyok jingtip bagi babun ki Khynnah Skul Bapulih Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya JNV Rymbai East Jaintia Hills District kila yo ya ke Jingpang pri penhiar nadu ke arpo artre naiwing arja arpusan ha ke bakla donru ki Khynnah ki belapoi hospital kumta ha ke arpusan tre naiwing arja arpusan hapo ke jingyalam ubocheru mi pochnam Education Secretary kala hiar banwat jingtip syakate ke skul. Hakajing let hiar jong kaseng syakani skul lai don lang do food safety officer ka East Jaintia Hills District uba mardeng ding do hakabala Suba jor ba kajing Kempang ki Khynnah dei ka Jingbam ka basa patru ka jingle jakhlia hakajing jurep lalap baki jaka shat bat ki jaka ai Jingbam yaki Khynnah ki long ki ba jakhlia ba nalor bam dan ki lat jing ada bat ka rukom pen kre Jingbam kam long hakarukom ka bakhot ka Suba Hagajo kapor ki jaka bajak liaru ki dei badan hajan ki jaka bam kumjo ko umbam di ru ki dei bakala rong sa bat bam I biang ban penon kam habaka sengkle kran bat wei Khynnah ubre school captain hagani ke school ule thu kumbalong mental lai pu khandai ngot ki Khynnah ki klamwan school show nakada boyo Jingpang bat haka arpusan tarik unai weng arja arpusan ladan palat arpau ngot ki boyo Jingpang haka por men stamp ban penti kenai kane ke JSU kala lecture Rymbai PHC hakabau doktor badai pe kane ke hospital ru ula penti kenai ka jingdan ki boyo pang pri penhiar nakadau ki Jingbam hakani ke sengi ka senggala lek ban jurep ru ka building thamai bapura jong JNV Rymbai ka padang ya chakmat ka jingtei bat kala yo jingtip bah ka phase 1 lamang san phoklur tingkar la ong ba jing pentrai bala dap ka long khandai persen tang ba 4 don boarding ne ka Hagaje kran ka seng baru principal ka JNV uli thu bala pen kre ban pen kan ria no yaki Khynnah school shagayeng school thamai hapo khatsan sngi
39 only. They are on leave because they are sick. And how many sick currently in campus?
Currently in morning they around 20 of them are sick.
20 of them are sick. Do you know why you're getting sick?
I don't have idea, sir.
A sister in charge, she take you to the PC?
Yeah, they take all the students, those who are sick right now in the morning, take them to the PC.
And that means total boys and girls, right? They're sick.
Yeah, boys also there, but boys not that much.
Girls more.
When boys also they don't have no, but girls only. No sir, girls only they have that problem. Boys no one. Then I suspected that saline, no? I think like that. If food poisoning is there, all students they will get sick, no? Even boys also. I think like that.
So up to now, that means no boys are sick.
No boys.
No boys have diarrhea.
Only top and cold is there, no diarrhea.
But as per the records we have checked there in PHC, you can see that there are some number of boys who are
Boys.
sick.
What to them?
Approximately yesterday or day before, Kyrwoh met 12 a.m. Kumba. Let's say 11 p.m. to 12 a.m. Approximately kita midnight.
Admin masuk ke dia Sunday pas Sunday itu dia admin itu dia waiting show ai
Kita tetap approximately kat Ngut kita doktor.
Armut kilo dia lainnya tahu itu kalau show akan itu jam itu ya
Become admin Armut bar admin kita admin bar kita approximately kan no. Problem itu mau pegang dia pasal kan ini spek pemerintah oh that's what friend
Kan subset Khynnah no juga man pelanjang ni nak kaji pasti kena teman dan kaum kita ada subset yang dia bisa ekstra gitu.
Biar kau ni.
Actually, we received numerous complaints.
Numerous.
Yes, numerous complaints from about the let's say the food served to the students. So there's been complaints that actually since Sunday there's like two students who are unwell. So they did not know the cause. But then since yesterday also, many prominent people belonging to this district.
We the life pet I kita case ki wada yo I complain we kena skur yo food poisoning ki na do ka artery. Nete I the life hey tai the yo I chamo principal we work staff in charge yang ke mess we yang help yang katai ka skur we the yo we kelam ki ter chapang kita ke jingjia. We he kam te le I na liang yang kesen the yo I batai ya ka assistant commissioner yang food safety ka we in charge ke East and West Central Hills. Hagatai hisngi we the onga the instructor yaki yo food safety officer ki is JNV yo lai ni kasni yo lai inspect yo kata skur hagajo upor le kawo ni kelami wo principal wo ka we kita ki staff in charge bon ni ki no principal wo de deny the allegation ka wo ongi wo embedded food poisoning ang in liang sen the lai pet I we the yo I wo to kata ka thau chat ka thau tu kita kena skur wo kata ka mess call ka thau ban ki man ga wo je clear kita gi staff ki wo padam kam gi hai tai po skur le the lord wo am the sanction ni ki yo I gi di permanent staff the book gi di temporary staff hello retail mem maintain gi ka health protocol wo kamon chat kamon utu mo yaki skur yaki snyo yaki kti wo em follow gi yo kata ka health procedure na ka ong gi ktin thang the hitai por le the yo I wo ka ka thau chat wo thau tu yong ki wo hajan ka tai to ka pen khana le em ka pen hajan wo ka thau set tiar ka thau set thal le em ka hajan we ka drainage system hapo ka ta ka JNV Rymbai man go to open the snyau thu pi wo to wa ka ta ka open drainage system depan man ka ta ka jing clear yo ka jing sma he hadu I thau wa yo wa duk pi khana uban ja the liang ka sen the instruct yo food safety officer with only yo chim action we man da proses ka final report hete dau I ka show cause notice yo kata skur hejo I porle yo pen sekhi hete I delai po PHC Rymbai we yo I chamber medical and health officer UM duty kini ketiau we yo ong wa MDK yang ki kena skur wa em kamte do chpaul ni khasan ngut ki kena ki yo kujut mut ke penhiar we ki we penyo to symptom yang ta food poisoning ni liang yang ole we de ong we to katai ka skur hetai we de man compact we de man kien bhago we de pen mix ko we mi ko bu yi kita kena do aspa ngun we to wa ke jing je clear hetai to gum to ko ki we gi le kam tam ga ta do ke thau chat we ga ta thau set man go pen hajan te liang yang sen le hejo ipor le de lai chipo ka ta new campus yang JNV school we de yo we to ta ka skur the chana ga gari wata permanent campus yang ka panajan yang temporary campus ka kate we DM ko construction are lagi phase to phase A or phase B ko phase A di yo kamu kendi 100% ke construction the dependable ki ka tang udang M chu ki kam ki yang internal kam ga electrical wa plumbing ki udang sa hejo ipor le yo ka phase B wato the depth ka do 40% tang overall completion me de khanika kata ga skur man go một cầu ông đã cần tiền thang cái man livable cái view sa cái view trong cái kena score we hete jo ipor le kawada ya kelami website engineer di ka date of completion do next year the resolution ko eu principal yang betang score we the ong we wato wa in 15 days na do negasni do shift ki kena woro kata ka permanent campus tang ini yang kesenwan de percai yaitu jing shift smart kuni khatsan skill ni art house ni wato wa kum to ko man urlong weile wato kau siang thu to kai ka thau hito hai ka po new campus the man go construction site wem siang thu I kamon ki kena skur we chong yi em gi we gi bro ki construction worker ki nong ki bela ne gi jalla u chong gi hetai we ka safety yong ki le mem man go ko wa scam tite daw in yang sen le the HU principal we yo chairman to DC yang East Central Hills yo him action yeni kam we yo him tegi procedure yo am gi terms conditions ko kata ka company ko wa construct yo kata ka new campus hetai yo gi kena yo sa yo sup yo gi ke ban gedi ko khoj yo gi yo ro gi jing em kam yo ki kam ki kena skor ne liang sen le I do bud do ni de ni yeni we daw ki the ultimatum wa khasan ski lam ye gu pendep ye kini ke jing the wa yong I dau em ki kam ki dau le ki wa helor yong ita
Habatin, pej bahagi ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batai ye kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ye ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yeki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jing ki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yeki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya